Hi friend, welcome in this episode of Bank Nifty Trading Grow Like a Gardener. Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 time tested method, clear strategy and consistent result. In today's episode, I will discuss about three things. Number one, I will show you the performance of this month, January 2021, trade by trade. Till date, this month we have 36,225 profit. Today was a big day. We have gained 723 point. That is around 18,075 per trade. Now I will show you how using this Excel sheet. This is the Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10, where you have to enter the data of the first couple of bars candle and you will get the trading plan for the day. Also, your entry, exit, stop loss, enter trading plan will be automatically ready every day at 9:30. I will show you with the example of today's trade how you can find and capture this big movement of the today. I also request you, if you are requested, if you are interested, sorry, then you can download this free Excel uh, guidebook. How you can trade with this Excel. The entire thing is written in a very short and to the point so that you do not need to waste much time and you can understand the concept. The link of this 60-minute expert guide is under the description, so if you are interested you can download the same. Okay, and you will also find the details 2020 month wise result here in this ebook itself. Go download this and check how you can start your Bank Nifty trading with a time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. Now, I will show you how you can find the trade of the today. But before that, I will quickly want to go through the this month performance, where as you can see that we have couple of losses on 6 Jan 3950, 7th Jan 3650 and 11th Jan 1625. There was a small loss on 14 January. There was a small loss on 19 January. Consecutive loss on 21st January. There was, that means yesterday there was a loss of 2250. Despite those losses, one thing you can notice that our losses are relatively small compared to the profit. For an example, when our profit on 4th Jan was 7,725, 5th Jan it was 7,800, 8,000 profit on 12th Jan, and then two small profit 4,200 and 6,300, and then comes today's. Today we have a giant trade. We have almost 723 point captured that give us 18,000 profit. So net to net we have 36,225 plus if you trade only one lot. Now I will show you quickly how to do it. So what you have to do, as you can see that it is mentioned start here. So let me delete all those pre data from this Excel. Okay, I have deleted all the data, and as I deleted all the data, under the step 2, check the plan, is it now blank? So once you will enter the data here, then you will find what is the plan for the day in this second tab. That is step 2. Once you will find the condition 1, 2, 3, remember we always try to stay flexible. We follow the principle of the gardener. A gardener, when in gardening, he know that he required a flexible plan to treat each of his plant, because each of the plant will react differently. The weather conditions or the market conditions here in our case will remain different. So we are try to remain very flexible, and that is the reason this Excel is designed to give you exactly what to do in a simple manner where you have to just enter the data over here. Once you will enter the data, you will have the plan ready. If the condition 1 or 2 or 3, the plan will show here. Once you will find the plan for the day, suppose you find the plan of the condition 1, then you have to go to the conditions 1 tab to check what is the entry level, what is the order you have to place, where will be the exit, what would be the target, everything you will find here. Now, similarly, conditions 2 and conditions 3, the plan will be there. Now, I will show you exactly how today's trade was there. Now, for that, what we need to do is that we need a 15-minute chart with the 8 period exponential moving average, and we have to enter at 9:30 after the close of the first 15-minute candle, the open, high, low, close, and ATMA. That's it. So, good point. Trading with this strategy is that every day you will trade at 9:30. So at 9:30, just spending 5 minutes of your time, daily time, you can find the trade, and once you will find the trade, you will place the order and you will free for the day. That is the beauty of trading with this system. So now I will show you exactly what was the trade today and how today's trade was span out. Okay, for that we need to do a simple things, entering the data of the first candle. So what is the first candle open? The first candle open was 32200, 32200.20. I have entered the first candle data, the open high 32226, 32226.95. I have entered the high, the low 31917, 31917.85, and the close 31929, 31929.15. I have entered the three set of data, the open 32200.20, the high 32226.95, the low 31917.85, and the close 31929.15. And I have to also enter the data of the 8 EMA, which will be visible here once I place the cursor over here. And the 8 EMA data was 32357, 32357.56. That's it. Once you enter this data, you have to move to the step 2, and as you can understand, it shows condition 2, and it give you an automatic signal that check conditions 2 tab. So what you have to do, you have to move to the conditions 2 tab here. Once you move here, the conditions 2, the trade plan is ready for you. What it is saying? It's saying that place a buy order at 32230 and place a sell order at 31915. You have to place these two order. So let's see what is the order type today. So we have to place a order, a buy order, and we have to place a buy order at 3232230. I make it blue because it will help us to understand that it is a buy order. So you will place a buy order in this line after this candle is over, and you will also place a sell order. You will place a sell order, and your sell order will be at 31915 as indicated by this Excel, and I will make it a red because it's a sale order, and I will click the OK. Now once I have done this, as you can understand that shortly after that your sale order has been executed. Once the sale order has been executed, this blue line will remain intact for the day. This order will remain pending and will continuously uh, work as a stop loss. That is your risk protection methodology. And It's now come to the exit line. It says exit if sell order triggered at 3:15. Very simple. The sale order has executed and you have to exit at 3:15. Is there any another things we can do? Alternative target? If sale order trigger, conservative. If you do not want to hold the trade, which is recommended till 3:15, then you should book profit almost at 316 point. So from 31915, your target for the day is 316 point. But this is for conservative approach. Once you will be very comfortable after trading couple of days or month, you should follow this strategy, the original exit strategy that was in this case was indicated by this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 XL is at 3.315. So what is the price around 315? You can see the price around 315 was 31187. And with this, as you can see that our trade was executed at 31913, slightly below we have entered. The original level was 31915, but our trade was executed at 31913, and the close of the day at 3:15 was 31190. In fact, the close was 3187, 187, but our trade was exited, sorry, at 31190, and that gives us a 723 point of the profit and 18,000 profit for a single lot. That's it, my friend, for this episode, and I believe that you should go to the description, download the 60-minute expert guide that will give you a fair amount of idea how you can trade with Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10, time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. Thank you so much for your times. I will come up with next video in a very short term, and till then, thank you so much for joining with me today, and take care. I wish all the best. Thank you so much.